Hey guys, welcome back to another video, and I'll show you the best way to get cat food in Battle Cats. Please follow what I do, mostly anyway. Go to birthday present S. Don't mind the text because I did it a lot before. And should start beginning. Then I'll put on 2-ton speed. Okay, so we're back from the 2-time speed. Mostly, as you can see, I almost mowed the boss. And, like that, we got an easy 20 cash. If you keep doing this, you'll get a lot. Bye, guys.